What does the culture mean to me?
Alexa, play 90s R&B.
Here's a station for 90s R&B music. 90s R&B on Amazon Music.
The great thing about culture is you actually get to decide what it means to you. It's your culture. What moves you? It's the bonds that can't be broken, the valuable conversations that bring us all together. It's about growing to find peace in who you are and what you do every single step of the way. So get up, freshen your hair, and let's get to it. Making steps towards accomplishing something worth striving for. No matter what we do, tamed hair, big hair, makeup, no makeup. Our magnificent beauty is often imitated, but never duplicated. It's about being courageous enough to be unapologetically you. It's dramatic eyes and bold lips, kind of a sophisticated look, you know? My culture is powerful. No matter how much we get knocked down, still we rise.